At the 30th of May, I became a phone call from my colleague Christy Cecilia, and she was asking me if I would like to visit Alfredo at 4 o'clock.
On behalf of the Board of Directors and the personnel of Diferente Boneiru, we proudly share this very special moment with you. And at this beautiful site of Hato, where we have been producing drinking water for over 58 years. Incidentally, yesterday was exactly 6 years since we inaugurated our first water plant back in 2015. We have ever since gained experience and cultivated ownership and pursued our strategic objective to insource drinking water production once more, because we have a good business case. It all started in 2013 with our strategy plan 2030-2018, which entails also the aforementioned insourcing of drinking water production once more, since we outsourced it completely back in 2005.
This love story starts with a group of people. They are here among you. This is a group of people. They love their work. They love this community. They love this island. They took this love and used it in order to transform it to passion, to dedication, and to make this island a sustainable and prosperous place on earth.
As mentioned, I'm here today replacing my colleague who is now in the Island Council defending most of the costs for developing this beautiful islands of us. So I gladly represent him today as much as I can. Considering that all the protocolar greetings has been done, I will continue by telling you that in front of you is a very proud and very happy representative of the shareholder of WEP. I'm very proud what WEP has accomplished in the last years, and they've been showing us for the last 2 days, starting yesterday with the sewage the treatment plant, and today with the drinking water plant, which it shows how good WEP is doing and how proud we as shareholders are of WEP.
But today is a beautiful day, so thank you for the sun today. Let me introduce myself. Jaap Slootmaker. I'm the Director General for Water and Soil at the Ministry of Infrastructure and Water Management. And thank you for inviting us here.